Hi, my name is Kelsey and I'm an esthetician here in Orange County, California. I work at a waxing salon called Waxed, and today we're going to be showing you how to use GiGi's all-purpose honey wax. It's good for the face, all over the skin. This is my model and today we're going to be waxing her arm hair. So today we're going to be using GiGi's all-purpose honey wax. This is a soft wax that's good to use all over the body from head to toe. Also, before waxing, you're gonna wanna test out the wax for the consistency. That is what's gonna indicate what the temperature of the wax is and if it's too hot or too cold. If the wax is too runny, it means it's too hot. If it's too thick and you can barely move it, it means it's too cold. You want something perfectly in the center of runny and thick, and that's when you know the temperature is at a good level. Today I'm also going to be using GiGi's AccuEdge applicators. These are really nice because it has that angled edge and that kind of helps you get into smaller areas with the wax, so it makes it a lot easier while waxing. Before you wax, you can also use GiGi's Anesthetic Numbing Spray. This helps to numb the skin before waxing. Then you can apply GiGi's Pre-Hon. This is for before waxing to help protect the skin from the wax so that you don't damage the skin and you're only removing the hair. You're gonna wanna also apply the wax with the direction of the hair growth. So typically on the arm, the hair grows down. So you'll apply the wax directly down with the hair growth and you'll be pulling against the hair growth. You place your muslin on over the wax. You're gonna wanna mold the muslin to the wax, so just rub it 2 to 3 times against the skin. Hold the skin tight in the opposite direction and pull. For remainder wax on the skin, you can also use the muslin to go back over, apply pressure, pull tight, and rip. So post-waxing, there's a couple different things that you want to keep in mind. 1, you want to exfoliate to avoid ingrown hairs. 2, it's really awesome to use some of GiGi's products that help with no bumps, ingrown hairs, and things like that. Waiting 4 to 6 weeks between waxes before you wax again is going to leave you with the best results. Thanks everyone for following along and watching us wax and use some of GiGi's awesome products. To learn more or to find some of their products online, you can follow them at GiGiSpa on Instagram or Facebook. And to follow along with my personal esthetician journey, you can follow me at Waxed on Instagram.